Ms. Sabahat Tadari would be having with you. So this will be a conversation about the conference outcomes. Well, please request Ms. Sabahat Khan Tatari to please come on stage and talk to the audience, please.
Good afternoon. So it will be a very short session because it's just the outcome of whatever we have been discussing for the Saturday and Sunday. Very productive, very fruitful, and all because of your input, your presence, your interaction, and continuous networking that we have seen. So we were able to, develop something from these presentations and output, which is called as leadership profile, which is again, we'll be taking your input as usual. So this is the first draft. We can take it as the first draft of the leadership profile, and we'll certainly welcome the input from all of you as we always do. So that's how it will be. The main components have been identified as enterprising, productively visible, humanistic, scalable, design thinker, and action researcher. This is what is the crux from whatever we have listened from most important, and of course, as I said, the most important are you and no one else. If we go forward, enterprising is certainly extremely important, and we need to understand that all of the school leaders have an enterprise to carry forward. And that is very much related to what we have been discussing yesterday in terms of business plans and academic plans well interlinked. So you need to be very courageous and at the same time extremely innovative in making those decisions how to enterprise your plans. Then comes productively visible. How? All of us are influencers. You have been hearing this term a lot on the YouTube and blogs and vlogs. So what about you? We are influencers. We are influencing the communities, students, parents, teachers, and many more. And once again, I think, so I heard in the last panel discussion about role modeling and mentoring. So it's very close to what we have been discussing again and again. Humanistic element, which is very close to everyone's heart because we are dealing with humans. We are dealing with emotional intelligences. It's so very important that we talk about empathy. We talk about conflict resolution. Conflicts are going to occur every day. But we as leaders, pleasantly, pleasingly, with composure, with maturity, are expected to be conflict resolver. And of course, very, very close to all of us is the team builder. We are here because we are a team. That's why we are so many here, because we are TCS team, and all of us are expected to develop teams of parents, teams of alumni, teams of students, and many, many more. Then comes the very important component, and I think have a very comprehensive sort of strategic plan for this with Mariam Imran, with Mr. Shahzad, and all the RDs and concerned managers about how to develop the culture of action research in our schools. It is so very important that we looked into the context-driven interventions and problems. It is so very important that our transformation is research-based. It is based in the context where we are. We cannot expect a school to operate that is somewhere, in South, and then the school to operate in exactly in the capital city or in somewhere in a very small town. So I'm not giving you the names, but you know that across the network there are quite a few examples. Then collaboration के बगैर तो survival ही नहीं है. आप समझ लें कि it's a survival word. You have to collaborate to survive in this global community. Till the time we are not collaborating, we cannot survive. And yes, tolerance. All of us have our thinking skills, capacities and capabilities. हम सब सही बात नहीं कर सकते हर वक्त. So there can be a partial agreement, there can be a disagreement, but what is there is negotiation. What are negotiation skills? आप negotiate करें, be on the table and try to understand each other's viewpoint. So be open-minded, be patient, be tolerant. And then, yes, life is full of risk. You are simply, facing quite a few risks every day. So yes, develop that skill of being a good risk taker as part of your profile, and you can certainly develop it further. And the last, which is a scalable. Now, scalable is something which has come from the business community, but it's of lot of importance and significance, because unless you are comparing yourself with the past, the current, and the future, you won't be able to set scales. And for that, you have to be adaptable. You need to understand what is the need of the age, what is the need of the context, what is the need of the communities, what is the need of the all stakeholders, and what is the need of the time. And then you will develop this adaptability. And finally, be an engager, as you were engaged with all of us. So I've just concluded and I've tried. As I said, it is just the first draft, and we are going to work on it. Happy learning. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bharat. And if I can please ask Shehzad Saab to please come on stage, and Hamesh Saab to please present a memento to Ms. Sabat. I'll also request Ms. Mariam to please come as well. Ms. Mariam.